Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be looking at a beehive. Okay, so we're on our way there. Hey Rocco, how you doing? What are you doing there? Oh, where's my little cute piggy? Rocco! So glad to see you. What did you do over there? Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Oh, God. Isn't he just the cutest? Okay, that's enough pics, Rocco. I gotta go film the video. Okay, so while we're doing this, I'm gonna talk about today's sponsor, which is CapCut. CapCut is a video editor, the one I use to edit my videos, and also you can do anything on it. To rate me on outline, which I use in every one of my shorts, almost every one, to flash me on border. It's amazing. Okay, let's go. Huh? Oh, here's the beehive. What the hell? How many are there?
We'll come around the other side. We'll go open this way. Come through.
Jag vet. Huh?
Oh wow, you have to them.
Whoa, that's a lot of bees. Okay, now we're flashing and it looks... Whoa. Maybe we should feed them some honey.
No, they make their own one, honey. We just leave them be. We just leave them be! That was funny!
What was that?
I can hear you well.
That's so cool. I just busy.
That is so cool, eh?
Whoa.
I wonder if there'll be honey there in the morning. Ace, get out. You won't.
Yeah, you'll die.
I can kind of see the honeycombs inside, but it's not really gonna...
Who's gonna stick their finger in and move a bit to the side?
I want to do that.
Do it then.
No.
Wait, how...
Ooh, listen.
Did you hear that?
Listen.
Oh.
Listen. Oh, that's so cool.
Should I like pull that a bit so that
No.
they go flying?
I don't
They
think so.
attack us.
Okay. I want to see the honeycombs though.
We'll come back tomorrow morning.
In the morning there'll be honey.
So you have to say to be continued.
I'm gonna make a part 2 on this video anyway, so.
Stop the video.
Oh,
They attacked him,
a little.
like the swarm attacked him.
Ace, get out.
And he got in the
Let's
farm
just do a
down.
little.
Yeah.
And every time he lifts his head out of the water,
That
they,
could be electric.
they come for him again. And he said he nearly died. Like he was in there for so long because they were waiting for him to come up.
Oh, that's a big beehive.
Business.
In the morning, I'll make part 2. So see you in the next video.